Physics, it is also a science, no? Motion, direction, and all, just simple. You think it is very simple? Physics is not only about motion, not only about direction. It has wide perspective. We will get to know what it is. Okay? It is a branch of science. It deals with matter, energy, and its interactions. And it interactions with each other. So what is mean by matter and energy? Okay, I'll write it down here. Matter. So matter is nothing but, take any substance, okay, any substance which has mass, which has what? Which has mass and which occupies some space. Okay, matter is nothing but what? Any substance which has mass and occupies some space. Okay, now what is mean by mass? Again question. So this science is not easy. It is an understanding and observation. Are you getting to know now? Now you got to know in previous session what is science, okay? And now you got to know what is physics. And in that physics which deals with what? Matter and energy and its interactions with each other. Now you should know what is meant by matter. Matter is nothing but any substance which has mass and occupies some space. And what is meant by mass? You all know. How mass is calculated? Mass is calculated because just by, it is just heaviness of the object. Heaviness of the objects. An object which is heavy is nothing but it has a mass in it, right? So what is this heaviness is made up of? What is this heaviness is made up of? Heaviness is made up of molecules in it. Heaviness is made of what? Molecules in it. Because the substance, whatever you take it, it has a heaviness, that means it has mass. What is this heaviness is made of? Is made of molecules, small particles in it, right? And again, what is mean by molecule? To understand what is mean by molecule, you should understand what is mean by atom. It is the smallest particle in any object is called as atom, okay? And the number of atoms combined together will become a molecule. And molecules become together will become an heaviness, one object, which creates the heaviness of the object. And that is called as a mass, okay? Science is interlinked between the concepts to concepts because it is helpful for everyday living to know, okay? See, for example, this marker pen, okay? This is a bit heavy, bulkier marker pen, okay? This has heaviness, okay? This has heaviness means it should be made up of something, no? It should be made up of molecules, some molecules, no? Okay? So, that molecules made of what? That molecules made of atoms, no? So, science and physics is interlinked between everything in the universe. It is not, it is from, we can define science in one more perspective right now. And before that, what is mean by energy? What is mean by energy? Energy. You wanted to run, you wanted to wake up early in the morning, you wanted to just walk for a while. What you need? You need is energy, right? So, energy is what then? Define energy, yourself define energy. Is a capability to do work, right? Capability to perform work, right? What is energy? Energy is a capability to perform any task, any work. So that is called as what? Energy. Okay. Now we will get to know one more definition of physics which you understand better. Okay. Okay. One more, this is definition, one more definition I'm getting in my mind. Okay, I wanted to tell all of you. Okay. This is a physics is a branch of science which deals from subatomic particles to the entire universe. Am I right? So physics is nothing but what? It's a branch of science which deals with subatomic particles to the entire universe. Okay? Fine. We can go for one more understanding of, you wanted to understand better, one more definition I can tell you. Yeah. So by all of this, what you understand, it deals with matter and energy and its interactions with each other. Okay, from subatomic particles to the entire universe. So to deal with it, it should have some laws, it should have some principles of working condition, right? See, if you go for a government office or if you go for if you go to school, okay, there is formal uniform you have, and there is a regulations that how you talk to people, how you talk with students, how you talk with your friends, and how you talk with teachers. Everything should be in a well disciplined and principled manner, right? So to deal with all these things, physics should have what? Some laws and some principles, right? So we can come across one more definition also, like physics is just the laws and principles that governs universe. What? Laws and principles. Universe around us, it works on based on some laws and principles. Okay.